Welcome to Lydia's kitchen. Today we're gonna make tomato and goat cheese salad. Enjoy! Today's recipe we need tomatoes, goat cheese, garlic, thyme, dill, parsley, and onion. I'm gonna use the half onion. So I'm gonna get the bowl. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut the tomatoes in the half. Make sure you cut this thing. I'm gonna cut like this. Do like this. So cut like this. So you're gonna cut all 3 tomatoes like this. So after you cut your tomatoes, now we're gonna cut parsley, dill, and thyme. Just cut like this. Just big pieces. They don't have to be small. So put everything here. Now I'm gonna do this with the dill. Like this, like this. And the thyme, you just take it and you gonna make the, you see the little leaves, you're just gonna put them right here. And this one, you can put it in the trash. So for the thyme, it's just, you need the little leaves. Just gonna go like this. And that's all. Okay. Now we're gonna take the half of the onion. Make sure you clean it. So you put the onion like this, again in the half, and then cut it like this. So now you're just gonna smash it a little bit, make them separate. The salad is for 3 persons. If you like to have more, you can make more. So now we're just gonna add it here, the salad. So what you're gonna do with the garlic now, you take this one, the little one, the smallest one, the shredder, and you're just gonna shred it here. So I shred the garlic like this in small pieces. Take my glue out. You need balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and some salt and pepper. And of course the goat cheese is right here. I don't forget to put this. Now I'm gonna add some 2 tablespoons, no, add 2 teaspoons. I make this, so you add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. and 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Add some pepper, some salt for taste, so you mix this. Okay, now we're gonna take the goat cheese. You can use whole or you can use just half. I love goat cheese, so I'm gonna put it all. So what you're gonna do, just gonna do like this. Just take a little piece and just drop it. So I put my goat cheese. So I have here olive oil, salt, pepper, and basilicum vinegar. So put everything right here. If you like, you can add more balsamic vinegar or more olive oil. I think I'm gonna add some olive oil. Some more olive oil. Maybe like 1 tablespoon. So it's just gonna put it like this. And I'm gonna mix it. So after the salad is done, I mix it. It's look like this. It's very healthy and tasty. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like. And thank you being here with me. And enjoy.